So you can see the Sarita hopes to clear the interview easily. Sarita hopes to clear the interview easily. Clear the interview easily. Interview easily. Sarita hopes that she can clear. She can clear the interview easily. She can clear the interview easily. Easily. So you can see here, children. You can see here, children. So first one is, can you tell me what is the noun clause here? What is the noun clause here? Can you tell me, children? Which sentence is having the noun clause? Can you tell me, children? Can you guess? Yes, Vita, speak up. Yes.
You easily.
You can see that here. We cannot see we can see only the few words which are expressing, which are just expressing just adding some meaning to the sentence. So they are noun phrase. You can see here. Sarita hopes to clear the interview easily. They are talking about Sarita. So here it is a noun phrase. Okay. When you can see here that she can, you can see here subject is also there, verb is also there. So when there is subject and verb is there and it is acting as a noun, it is working the noun, but it is a noun clause. It is doing the work of noun. Sarita hopes that she can clear the interview easily. Okay, it is doing the work of a noun. So it is a noun clause. It's clear, children, and it must have a subject and a verb. As you can see here, in the first sentence, there is no subject, no verb, so it is a noun phrase. And here you can see that there is subject also and verb also. Okay, so it is a noun clause which is telling us more about noun. You can see here they both are telling about the noun. Sarita hopes to clear the interview easily. So it is also telling about noun, so that it's a noun phrase. And it is telling about the noun. Again, it is a noun clause. Why it is a noun clause? Because it is having subject and verb. Okay. Am I clear, children? Am I clear?
Ma'am,
Am I
please tell again.
say? Sarita hopes to clear the interview easily. So it is a noun phrase because it is acting as an acting is this doing the work of a noun. What Sarita hopes to clear the interview easily. So what is working? Doing the work of a noun, that is called a noun phrase. Now you can see in the second sentence, Sarita hopes that she can clear the interview easily. This is a clause. Why it is a clause? Because it is having subject and verb. Okay. And it is doing the work of a noun. That's why it is called a noun clause. Now it's clear, children?
Ma'am, so both are noun clause.
First one is noun phrase. Second one is noun clause. That's why I'm explaining you both phrase and clauses together, because you can see in first sentence there is no subject and no verb. You can see, but in second subject you can see subject and verb. So in clauses we are having subject and verb.
Okay.
Now this is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Both are noun. But first one is noun phrase, second one is noun clause, because they are doing the work of a noun. Okay. So the words which are doing the work of a noun, they may be called noun phrase or noun clause. And how we can identify noun phrase? If there are only group of words without any subject or verb, they are noun phrase. And if they are with subject and verb, then it is a clause, noun clause. Clear? Clear, children? Any problem?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So you can see this now. More about noun clauses. Now we are going to learn about noun clauses as a subject of a verb. Noun clauses as a subject of verb. Noun clause as a subject of verb. How noun clause are acting as a subject of verb? As a subject of the verb. As a subject. Okay. It is acting as a subject. How he solved the problem? How he solved the problem? How he solved the problem is a miracle. Or is a mystery, we can say. How he solved the problem. The problem is a miracle. So can you identify the noun clause here, children? How he solved the problem is a miracle. Where is the verb? Can you tell me where is verb? What is verb
Solved.
here? Children, can you speak the louder? What is the verb here?
Solved.
Tell me. Read the sentence carefully. How he solved the problem is a miracle. So where is the verb?
Ma'am, solved.
Solved is verb. Very good. Any other verb is there? Any other verb is there? Any other verb is there, beta?
No,
Speak
ma'am.
up. Any other verb? You can't see?
Ma'am.
Is. It is also verb. And what is the clause? Subject plus verb. So you can see here subject plus verb. So it is a clause. How he solve the problem? So it is a noun clause. How he solve the problem? Subject of the verb. You can see it is a subject of the verb is. Is a miracle. Clear, children? Because we know that clause is a subject plus verb. It is the kind of sentence when it is joining two sentences and it is having subject and verb, that it is a noun clause. You can see. So here the noun clause is acting as a subject of the verb. So verb here is and it is acting the subject of the verb. Clear, children? Or any problem? Tell me. Clear? If there is any problem, you can ask me. I'll explain you again. Tell me, children. Speak up or show me your virtual thumbs if it is clear.
Ma'am, it's clear.
Very good. What about others? It's clear? Simple, it's very simple. You can see that we know that clauses have subject plus verb, or it is clearly visible here. It's verb and it is the subject of the verb. So here it is acting as a subject. Okay. How you solve the problem is a miracle. Now next, it is acting as the object of the verb. Object of a verb. See carefully, beta, understand carefully so that you will not have any problem. Object of a verb. Example, she didn't know that the directions were wrong. She didn't know that the directions were wrong. So you can see here, children, she didn't know, okay, that the directions were wrong. This is Noun clause, which is the object of the verb. Okay, you can see here directions. Here is noun and were, again you are having verb, were wrong. So it is a noun clause because it is having noun and subject and verb. Okay, this is clear, children. Here it is acting as the object of a verb. It is coming after verb. You can see here, this is verb. So it is coming after verb. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one now. Noun clause as the complement of the verb. Complement when we are praising noun. Complement of a verb. Okay. When you are telling more about the noun, then it is a complement. You are giving compliment. Okay. Example. A happy life is what everybody desires. A happy life is what everybody desires. So here it is complementing happy life. Okay, it is complementing happy life. You can say a happy life is what everybody desires. So everybody, you can see noun and it is verb. Okay, so it is the complement to the verb. Clear, children? Any problem? It is telling about happy life. It is giving compliment to happy life. That happy life is what everybody desires. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Any
No,
problem?
ma'am.